Hello friends and kids, welcome back to Thirunar YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make face mask. So this is simple way and we need necessary for nowadays because the COVID-19 all the people are locked down in the home, also they stay at home only, and this situation, so we need a more mask also required, and the price of the mask also more expensive. Like these situations, homemade you can make mask and give it to your friends, even you brother or sisters or the kids you can give, they can feel more happy. Any kind of mask you can make with any kind of paper or plastics or leather product, even the socks, even the cloth, even the some more necessary item, wastage items, they can make also mask. Today I am going to show you simple way how to make the face mask, and easiest way also. Today I need actually for making mask is leather thing product I am using here to make a face mask. Is easy way, you can try it at home, and even it take not long more hour also, it's very easy, and to finish this one also very easy. Okay guys, let's keep on watching my video. If you like my video, please give likes and give comments, and if you more like my video, you can subscribe my channel. Day by day I put a video, it automatically come to you, you can see also my videos. Thanks for watching my videos. Those who give likes and comments to my videos, I really say thanks to them. And even if the people give comments, I really say thanks to them because they like my video, that's why they put comment also, so really thanks. And we move on for the video how to make the face mask. These are the things I have here. This is the leather paper. You can cut into the shape like square or rectangle, any shape you want. Now we need for the face mask, so we cut for the rectangle of big shape like this. With we need to cut for this, we need a scissor and blade also. These two items we need for here, and we need to join the thread, that's why we need candle and matchbox also here, you can see that. And we need a thread also here. This is the thread, this is elastic thread, you can get it in any shop, elastic thread also. This is also easy way to make the mask. So these are the things, so let me start. Friends and kids, join with me, keep on joining. I'm going to show you how to make the face mask. So I'm going to cut now, right now. You can cut in the small pieces like this coming, you can see this is the one I make now. So we are going to use this one, you can keep in the side. So we need these two thread, I say you already, elastic thread, you can see. So now I am going to on the candle, because we need a candle to join this side, or you can two method you can join, because we have to close these two side with the help of this, with the help of the elastic thread. We are going to close like this U shape, one from the one end and another from the another end, like this coming. Okay guys, you can join with a candle. If you fire, make it, and you can melt it like this, because this is a leather product, so you can melt it very easily, and it catch also very strongly catch. Okay, so that's why I am going to use it here. Or you can, if you want to use the thread method also, you can needle and thread, you can join here, and same time you can join this side also, another side, and both side you can join. So let's we do this one. So first I'm going to fire the candle on the matchbox. We have candle also, and don't think this is birthday party guys, don't celebrate birthday party right now. So this is not birthday party, actually I'm going to show you simple things only. So you can see, so this is the thread and this is the mask I have. So you can melt it here and put it, and one press, little press. If you feel more hot, you can take the blade and you can press, or even this one also, scissor also, you can help and press. I will show you with scissor how you press. Same the time, and another side you melt like this, you can see now. This one you can take this one and you can press it like that. See, joint now. Okay, one side is ready now, you can see it now, one side ready. So another side, same method I am going to follow. Same thing, I make it hot and put and make it catch. So same method, I one more time I do same melt. This is plastic elastic, a leather one elastic. So you can you can melt little bit, it come elastic, because this plastic made out of elastic rubber. So if you melt in that, it automatically joint here. So this is the one mask I make. So it's the easiest way of the making mask is this is the way. And even you can try more mask like that, any kind of method also you can use. It's very easy way to make mask, and no need to spend more money to buy from outside, guys. Actually, don't celebrate birthday. This is not birthday, guys. Kids and all enjoying stay at home, because they are enjoying more, because they give vacations, so they'll enjoy more in the home. Be safe at home only, not go anywhere outside also, guys. So this is our face mask. You can see how I put and show you. See, now very good. This is good face mask. You can see. This is safety one, you can see this. If you want to put like this, it's good safety. If you going for outside and coming from inside, it's good safety for you and safety for other people also. If you get flu, you're not affected from the flu. That's why we are going to use this face mask. So if you like my video, please like my video, and if you more likes, give comments also as you like. And if you like more likes my videos, you can subscribe my channel also. Thanks for watching Tirnar YouTube channel. Keep on watching Tirnar YouTube channel and enjoy all the video. I am always with you for entertain you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.